Outdoor living is an extension of the home, a place where family and friends gather together. As a third-generation, family-owned company, we are passionate about providing products for this space where relationships grow and memories are made. Every great gathering involves food, so an outdoor kitchen is a must for outdoor living. Stoll kitchens are custom-built for your space, your style, and your needs. Our weather-resistant kitchens are highly durable, completely customizable, and modular, which means they can grow and go with your family. Enhance your outdoor kitchen with aluminum wall panel systems, floating shelves for extra storage, and even outdoor-rated range hoods. Located in the small town of Abbeville, South Carolina, Stoll Industries has been a premier provider of custom metal products for the home for over 50 years. Let us help you create a complete outdoor kitchen experience that will bring your gatherings to life.